Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yesy. My dad just picked me up from my bus stop and we're gonna go home. I'll see ya when I get there. Actually, change of plans. We're gonna pick up my brother and then we're gonna go home. Alright guys, I just got back from picking up my brother. Hold up, let me open the blinds. And first things first, I'm gonna change my shirt because I have my navy shirt on. Cause hold on. Anyways, I have my navy shirt because today we went to the pool at school. And I didn't even know we were supposed to go to the pool. But I had an extra shirt at my locker, and I had my PT clothes, which are just some shorts, and I had this. So I went to the service center, got myself some sweatpants, and I went to the gym with my navy pants and the extra shirt I had in my locker, and then I changed back to this. Look at my brother, ugliest human being. But anyways, this shirt is kind of ugly. Even though I love the color, I love yellow. Anyways, but I'm gonna change my shirt because I look crazy right now. And I'm putting my hair up because it's kind of bothering me. And I'm gonna eat something and go to the gym. I was cooking and I literally forgot that I have wet clothes in my backpack. So let's take that out. Normally, I do my backpack like before I go to bed, but me going to the pool at my school was so last minute. I literally had to dry myself with this. Anyways, I'm put this to the laundry and I'm gonna continue cooking because I'm hungry. Rub it. My back is getting bigger. Oh my god, my mom's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Y'all, my ramen is done. Y'all, don't mind how messy it is. I literally have a piece of potato I've been eating. But look, it's 2 eggs, but the yolk just fell off that one. And I have my collagen. But you know how I told you I was gonna eat and then go to the gym? I'm still gonna go to the gym, of course. But before going to the gym, I'm gonna like do the things I have to do at home, right? And then go to the gym. Because I think that's like the smartest thing to do, right? Even though the gym might be packed after I like clean my house, but it doesn't matter. We're still gonna get a workout in. You know what I mean? But yeah, I really just have to clean the kitchen, like season some steak. What else? I need to do more like little potato chips thingies that I was eating. And I need to sweep. And I think I need a mop too, because this floor is looking a little... I just hate when, you know, like people, like let's say somebody's coming over and we don't know they're coming over and the house is dirty. Like, no, the house needs to be clean all the time, guys. Anyways, and I need to tidy up my room a little bit because today I woke up late, right? And when I was like getting ready, I wasn't like awake still. Like I literally got out of my house and I had slippers on. I literally had to run back and put my Crocs on and then run back to my bus stop. It's crazy. But I am going to eat and do all the things I just told you I was gonna do. Period. While I'm eating, I'm a little iPad kid. So I'm gonna watch Caso Cerrado. That's kind of like Judge Judy, but for Hispanic people.
High volume. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Bust them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Bust them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn these streets can't cross. Cross them up, all these street need bosses. Bust them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up, turn your click up, dog.
Dang, I look crusty right now. I just got done cleaning up the house. Right now, we're going to the gym. It's currently 6:27, and it's crazy because it looks like it's 3 p.m. outside, but it is a little bit late, and there might be a couple people at the gym, but it don't matter. Today's pretty quick. It's just upper body, and yeah, today's actually cardio and upper body, not just upper body. But let's go straight to the gym, because when we come back, we have to do a couple more things.
I know that I hurt you.
Yeah.
I was a child trying to be a man.
To all my sons worldwide,
All
all my juniors,
I
I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop.
I'm standing right here.
I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry, Daddy's home.
And I know I missed so much of your life.
Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop.
Okay, so basically, I just got home from the gym, and I also went to pick up the mail, and I sorted it out by names, you know what I mean? So that my mom can see her stuff, my dad can see his stuff. Anyways, and right now, I'm about to shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair today. I'm just gonna do a body shower, you know what I mean? So, I'll see y'all when I am out. So after I showered, I put this Nivea lotion on, like, all over. And right now, I'm about to do my skincare. I'm not gonna brush my teeth yet because I still have to eat dinner, but I'm gonna do my skincare. And I don't wanna make this video too long, so I don't think I'm gonna talk through it, but I'm still gonna talk a little bit because me, without talking, it's not me. Like, what are you talking about? Remember on TikTok, like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, or like a month or 2 ago, I don't even know, but a minute ago, everybody was using this turmeric and lemon face soap or whatever. So I got it. Did it make any difference for real? No. But since I have it, might as well just use it. So I wash my face with this. This is the ointment I use. It's just the Up and Up, so like the Target brand. We just put some CeraVe, whatever you call it, moisturizer. And now I'm just going to put these on. And I've been trying to put these on like every night, right? Because apparently this is supposed to help you with your under eye bags and like dark circles and everything. So I just try to put it in there. You know, a little update. My dad talked to me and he was like, don't go to school tomorrow. So I'm not going to school tomorrow, and I'm glad. Normally I'll be like, oh no, yeah, I want to go to school. But one, my closest friend is not going to school, so I'm gonna just be alone for real. And then I have a freaking physics test that I have not studied for. But now I have 4 extra days to study. Since I'm not going to school, I'm gonna oil my hair right now, real quick. I use the Miel, what is it? Rosemary mint strengthening oil. So I just put it really everywhere, but I just mainly focus in the back because my hair grows lower in the back and in my parts, you know, because when I do side parts and middle parts, I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it like this for real. I'm not gonna do much to it. And also guys, I do go to school a lot. It's just that my dad just told me to stay home. So if I can't stay and have good reasons to stay, then I will. After these dry up, I'm gonna put this, which is an eye repair cream. And then, oh my god, look at my hair, bro. I look a mess. And then I'll be set for the night. Right now, I am going to eat dinner, and I am gonna do some homework, and because even though I don't have school tomorrow, I don't want to be behind on work. Next one. Bye.